Hey everyone and welcome! Today we're tackling something huge. We're going to dive into one of the most exciting opportunities out there right now, building your very own AI-powered business. And get this, without being some kind of coding genius.
I mean, it's the question everyone's asking, right? How are people secretly making millions with AI? You see all these amazing tools popping up everywhere. You hear these wild stories of people building fortunes. It kind of feels like some secret club. Well, I'm here to tell you that the door to that club is wide open.
Seriously, the game has completely changed. And in this explainer, we're going to walk you through exactly how to turn a simple idea into a real money-making AI tool. And the best part? We'll be using a method that is accessible to, well, pretty much everyone.
Okay, but first things first. Before we can build the business, we really need to get our heads around the business model. And right at the heart of this whole revolution is a little something called SaaS. Now, SaaS, it sounds kind of fancy, but it's actually a really simple idea. All it means is creating a piece of software, like a website or an app that provides a service people actually need. It solves a problem for them, and they usually pay for it with a subscription.
And believe me, you're already using SaaS products every single day. Just think about it for a second. ChatGPT? That's a SaaS. It gives you a conversational AI service. Kling AI? It offers a video generation service. Even something you probably use all the time, like Canva. That's a design service. Yep, all of them are SaaS businesses.
All right, so we get the model. Now let's get to the really fun part, the build itself. We are going to go step by step through the whole process of creating our very own AI SaaS tool from scratch.
And this is basically our roadmap. It all boils down to these 4 super simple steps. First, you need an idea, something useful that people will actually want to use. Then you build the interface with a no-code app builder. After that, you connect an existing AI to do the heavy lifting. Think of it as the brain. And finally, you set up a way to actually earn money from it.
And this quote, this is everything. We don't know how to develop AI, but we know how to use it. This is the huge mindset shift you need to make. You don't have to be an AI developer anymore. Nope. You just have to be clever and creative enough to figure out a new way to use the incredibly powerful AI tools that are already out there.
Okay, so to make this all feel real, we're going to build something specific. We're going to create a YouTube SEO tool. So, why that? Well, because it serves a really clear audience, content creators, and it solves a very, very real problem they all have: how to get more views.
Okay, now this is where the real magic happens. You take your simple idea, an app that spits out YouTube titles, tags, and descriptions, and you translate it into a super detailed command, or what we call a prompt, for an AI app builder. You're not writing a single line of code here. You are literally just writing instructions in plain English, telling the AI exactly what you want it to build for you.
And the process itself, it's just unbelievably fast. So you use a no-code tool like Lovable.dev, you paste in that detailed prompt we just talked about, you connect a backend server, which is just a few clicks, and then you just watch. You watch the AI generate the entire app structure. Oh, and you need a login page? You just type it into the chat like you're talking to a person. It's honestly that simple.
All right, so now we've got the body of our app, the structure, but every app needs a brain, right? This is the step where we connect that brain. We're going to integrate a super powerful AI model, in this case, Google's Gemini, and that's what's going to do the actual work of generating all those titles and tags. Now, I know the term API can sound kind of scary and technical, but don't worry about it. Just look at these steps. It is literally a copy and paste job. Seriously, you just go to the Google AI website, you generate a free API key, you copy that key, and you paste it into your app when it asks for it. And that's it. Your app is now officially powered by a world-class AI.
But hey, let's be real for a second. Things don't always work perfectly on the first try, do they? So in the real-world test of this tool, the first attempt actually gave a generation failed error. And you know what? That's totally normal. It's just part of the process.
But check this out. This is the mind-blowing part. The fix wasn't some complicated debugging session. No, it was just talking to the app builder. You literally just select the error and tell the chat, I got an error, please fix this. And the AI goes,
analyzes the problem, and then fixes itself. How incredible is that?
So our tool is working. It's alive. But you know, a cool tool isn't a business until it can actually make money. So let's get this thing profitable by setting up payments.
And the goal here is super simple. We just want to let our users upgrade to a paid or pro plan. And guess what? Just like everything else we've done, you don't do this with complicated code. You just use chat prompts. You ask the builder to create an admin panel for you. You tell it to connect a payment gateway like Razorpay, and boom! You can create different subscription plans like a free one and a pro one.
And there it is. That's the moment it all comes together.
With just a few more simple prompts, the entire payment system is live. A test payment goes through, successful. And just like that, your tool is now a fully monetizable SaaS business.
So think about that. After a really short amount of time, we've gone from a simple idea in our heads to a complete, functional, money-making AI application. Your AI startup is officially ready to go.
In the last step, it's the easiest one. All that's left to do is hit publish. The no-code builder just gives you a shareable link, and your tool is instantly live on the internet. You can send that link to anyone, and your users can sign up and start using your service right away.
So, what's the big takeaway from all of this? It's that the old rules are gone. Building software isn't just about code anymore. That barrier to entry, it's been completely shattered. What matters now is your idea and how well you can explain that idea to an AI. You really can create a functional app in minutes, not months, and you can build monetization right in from the start.
And that brings us to the final and honestly the most important question of all. Now that you've seen just how possible this is, what's stopping you? The only thing standing between you and your own AI business is an idea. So what's it going to be? What's your next AI business idea?